Okay, so now you've already gone ahead and clicked the new button. You have selected term grades only. You have picked the class that you entered the grades in. You manually enter them. I went ahead and put the 89 in here and I saved it. Now it's time to put in for grade request changes. That's what they decided to tell us later. So you might say, I don't only see my fourth quarter. You need to go to display options. So go to display options. You want to do grade period display. And I want to show quarter one. I don't need to see progress for. So I need to do quarter one because that's what I'm doing the grade request change. Okay. So here's my quarter one. And you can see that it shows that she has 89 that I pulled in, but I have to grade request change it because Skyward thinks that you have to do 50 things to make it show up on a report card. Beside the point. Anyways, so go to right here underneath where it says quarter one, click options. You're going to do this 3 times. It's so fun. Hit grade posting for term 1. I want to request these grade changes. I just hit, what is my reason? That's my reason. Yes, I want to proceed. All right, so now I'm going to go back to options again. I'm going to enter the term grade adjustments. And I'm going to look. She has the 89. It's showing that it is adjusted, and I want to save that. Now for the third time, you're going to go to options, and we're going to go to grade posting status again. Now that I'm done, I can complete those grade changes. Yes, I want to proceed. And you are finally done with that one child for the one subject that you're working on. Now you need to get rid of the new button. So now that I've done Rosabella's reading, I now get to go and do her for math, science, social studies. So much fun. So I'm going to click new because I am done with this, language arts. And I'm going to go to my grade book and go to my next class, which would have been my mathematics. And because everyone's doing grades, remember, display options. Grade period display. I only want to see quarter one. That's what I'm fixing for her. Or you can look at all of them if you want to. It's up to you. All right. Now remember, she was supposed to have a new button, but I got rid of it too soon. So I'm going to click her name. I'm going to click new student. And I'm going to undo this checkbox. That way it shows up. And while I'm here, I might as well go ahead and do term grades only. Take her stuff from the math class from Miss Lee. Manually transfer the scores. 93. Seems to be the going rate. All right. And I'm going to save. And I'm going to write down 93 so I remember that when I do my grade book request change right here, go to quarter one. Now you might have to do it for quarter one and quarter 3 or quarter 1 and quarter 2. Let me tell you, it's all over the place. Grade posting status. I want to request grade changes. The only person that sees it is Russell, I think, and he knows that I'm the one that just throws that in there. And then let's see, nobody ever looks at it. Now I'm going to go to enter term grade quarter 1. I'm going to check and make sure that 93 is there for Rosabella. It is. I'm saving it. And now I'm going to go to the last time to quarter 1, grade posting status, and I'm going to hit complete the grade changes. Yes. Yay. Now I'm going to go back and I can get rid of the new button for her in math and get to go to science and social studies. Whoop, whoop.